We're all about van life all over the world, so we decided to get ourselves a taxi here in South Africa. We want to investigate why this is still a place to come and why the rest of the world should actually know about this place. I need to give some perspective, so I'm standing right in front of you. You can get a bit of an idea. Can you think how cowboys travel in a micro environment? We're not used to this. We want big. What do you reckon about this one?
You know what? This is actually better because it's private and it's safe.
So you can effectively hit the road in South Africa for 55 bucks a day with one of these. We're not renting a camper. This is a van. We're going to make it a camper, and that's the opportunity.
This is spacious.
So our first priority now is let's get safe.
South Africa is quite synonymous with hijacking, so I've got an anti-hijacking device.
That's it. That's right.
To all the hijackers out there, you're going to have this on your forehead, mate.
No, turn it around, then you'll see what gets to the forward. See?
Just putting it here, just for the person.
So it's not a camping store.
Can you park this thing?
I'm from Alberta, mate.
You happy with that parking? Look at the gap.
I'm from Alberta. Probably jet lag, eh?
These things are a little flimsy. This is not industrial enough for us. Yeah, plan B. You think this will take a potjie?
Yeah, that's way better because that's cast iron.
Taking big one. This is heavy. A little heavy, yeah.
So we're gonna do none of these cooker stuff here because we have the burner.
We bought the big one. Is a lamb shoulder gonna fit in that one? You want this one? So, and we always have people coming over.
You need to experience the wildlife.
Yes, we're going bushveld.
Ah.
Up north, the real bushveld.
Ah.
Yeah.
You need a lot of wildlife there.
Yes.
I hope you've got a good tent.
Well, that brings us to the next thing.
Don't go for polyester nylon, ripstop canvas.
The nice thing is it's ripstop canvas, so if it tears, it won't unstitch any further.
Right.
Stay like that until you repair it. It's waterproof, 100%. It's also spring steel, so you can bend it as far as you want.
Wow.
Right? And you get a 2-year guarantee on your canvas, lifetime use.
I'm sweating already, man.
Do your own work. Here's it.
Hey, have you found a chair?
That one. So cowboy fits in this one. Always need to check because when the evening gets long, you need to have a hook to hold you in. Yeah. That's where you go.
That's it.
So the glass and the hook, and it keeps you upright, and that's why you want it.
We got the sleeping bag. We got the fold-up thing here. I actually like that.
You like
it
the
kind of
fold-up
makes
thing?
sense.
Yeah.
And the tent done.
Here we go. Awesome.
Well, the options is a normal little coolie, which sort of dies on the day on you. If we do these, you got enough space. You got 2 ice packs you can chuck in your meat and stuff in this. You might even have some extra space for beer. Okay, there's the pan. Can I love cast iron? Look at this. It's a weapon for 24 bucks.
You always want to get one of these when you're in South Africa.
What's happening, cowboy?
This seat's got a seat belt.
So after the beer, you don't fall out?
You don't fall out. Sit in there.
What did you buy? Huh? This thing is so heavy, we need another fucking trailer or truck to get this thing in.
Yeah, but that's why you got a big van.
Yeah, but it's my stuff, not for your stuff. You're in the tent, remember?
2 cowboys, eh?
Yeah.
We need storage.
Is this for spices, you reckon? I still want one where I put the pans and the pots and the knife.
Yeah, so this is sauces.
That's good.
I found a really good chef knife, cutting boards as jy met dit kom.
Okay.
Asseblief, dankie. Happy as Larry. Awesome. Is your other one? Perfect.
This is not why you come to South Africa. This whole what happened this morning is enough to drive you to drink and to the bush. That's where we're heading. That's why we're coming here. So we can't get out of here fast enough. Farming in South Africa, and you're investing and you're growing and you're building businesses and you're adding value. Are you crazy?
Yeah, might be. It's very important to keep a positive mind.
People keep on using the word lekker, lekker, lekker. What does lekker mean?
Lekker is the best.
Yeah, you play.
He's losing money, that's what he's saying.
Oh, toilet.
How much you charge for a ride? Chicken necks.
Necks and chicken feet.
It's highly unlikely to have you around.
Do you want us around? That's a good question.
That's very important to us.
Does the elephant get drunk of the beer or do they get drunk of eating the marulas?
Of eating the marvelous.
Where do we start? You must probably going to have to start with yours.
This is my staple when I was a child.
I'm happy it's my first time doing this.
So we're making arepas. Arepas is something which you don't find in many parts of the world.
The best thing about being here in South Africa is that we can tuck into all of this local produce.
Quality control.
Jy gaat ons.
No problem, we fix it easily. There we go. Mag ons hom oopmaak?
Oeh, julle gaan
Chuck it
julle
in.
vingers afleg.
The only thing I'm hoping is that more people will see this all over the world.
Yeah.
We live like kings here and we're just really thankful for their hospitality and having us.